Hey guys, this is Alexander at All Security Equipment, and today I'm super excited to do the unboxing of this BFT Deimos sliding gate operator. So one thing to note is that this is not a chain-driven operator, but a rack and pinion. So basically, you install those racks on the gate, and then the pinion would go and just roll on the racks and open or close the gate. This is a nylon-coated steel rack, which makes it smoother and quieter, and this is extremely durable. No greasing, no nothing. Where the chain gets rusty, here it always stays nice and neat, which is a very favored type of operator where the environment is a harsh environment. And now to the unboxing. So first of all, we specifically created this kit at All Security Equipment to ensure that your installation will be UL 325 compliant. Very important. So first of all, you're gonna have that big box manual. You're gonna have the mounting plate, some anchor screws, the keys, some additional bracket here, and then the main piece, the gate operator with the rack and pinion system. And as you can see, this gate operator can lift up to 800 pounds and 75 feet gate. So this is a great machine. It's small but mighty. We really like it at All Security Equipment. Then in the package, you're gonna get an antenna that is going to allow you to be able to operate the gate much further than regular systems, because this is an extension gate. Then we're gonna have two remotes, super cool looking remotes, small keychain, you can put them anywhere in your pocket, 4 buttons, which is really nice. You have 2 of these, 1 and 2. Then you're gonna have a battery backup kit, which is a really cool kit that is made specifically for this operator, and that comes already pre-packaged with the control board, the harness, and the batteries that are inside here. So you cannot see them, but you can see little parts of them here and here, and that goes directly inside the machine and will allow you to have a backup in case of a power outage. So you can still operate your gate even if you lose power. And finally, most important, 2 reflective photo eye to be UL 325 compliant. These are tried and true photo eyes, polarized lens, and reflective, so you only have to install one side, the other side is a reflector, and you have 2 of these, so that way you can monitor both sides of the gate to ensure UL 325 compliance. And this is the new BFT Deimos slide gate operator kit.